Tumult is a great authoring tool for interactive web animations. One of its biggest benefits is an intelligent asset workflow. In this short video, I'm going to show you what that means. There is hardly a more essential aspect in the authoring workflow than dealing with assets. So this asset workflow has a major impact on your productivity. Especially in time-critical projects, this can make the difference between success and failure. This is what I really love about working with Tumult. It comes with an intelligent asset workflow to assist you. So today I will show you the auto-update feature, which is a true lifesaver, especially when your client comes with any last-minute design changes. We will also take a look at the Auto Optimizer on Export feature. So here we go. Imagine you have already spent quite some time creating an awesome animation choreography and you're almost done, but then the phone rings and the client insists on some minor changes regarding the visuals. Updating all the assets affected by these changes manually would usually make you cancel your evening plans right away and prepare for a night shift. Luckily, Hype has got your back. In this example, our little monkey character here should, for instance, wear pants of a different color. The original asset is created in Illustrator. I can easily change the color here. If I now export the asset replacing the original file I imported to Hype, it will automatically recognize that the file has changed and ask me if I want to update my asset or keep the previous version. If I choose Update, all the instances of the asset will automatically be updated throughout the entire project. Boom! Just like that. Project saved, and I still can keep my evening plans. Another awesome feature of Hype is the Auto Optimize on Export feature. When enabled, Hype checks if the assets you have been using are Retina optimized and automatically exports two versions of the asset. One in high resolution for Retina displays and a low resolution version for normal displays. This makes sure that your project looks sharp on each device while keeping the file size necessary for the browser to a minimum. And you don't even have to worry about it. Isn't that awesome? Of course, you can also include your own resolution optimized versions or disable the feature altogether when you only want to feature one resolution. The choice is yours. This kind of thorough workflow-oriented behavior is what makes the Hype kinda unique in terms of authoring tools for web animations. I hope I could give you some new insights today. Have fun trying these features on your own. As always, feel free to leave a like or comment underneath the video. And stay tuned for more episodes on interactive web animations. Happy animating!